This right here is what Sunday in my home tastes like. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you through how I prepare my special Sunday jollof rice for my family from start to finish. Trust me, this recipe is simple, delicious and full of love. Let's get right into it. So first thing first, I always start with my meat because this is where a lot of the flavor come from. I am washing my meat properly to make sure it is clean and ready. As you can see, I always take my time to wash my meat because I always like to see my meat very clean. I don't like seeing any stain of blood or anything. I don't like it. I always make sure my meat is very clean. So this is me. I wash this meat almost 3 to 4 times. Yes, this is me transferring it to the pot. Yeah, I'm packing everything. So after that is done, add your ingredient one by. So as you can see, I've added up my garlic, my curry, thyme, seasoning, and this is my garlic. And yeah, the last one is my onions. As you can see how my onions is, I like putting plenty. So after putting all your ingredients, you allow it to steam, for the ingredient to steam inside. I come with my spoon and give it and turn it for everything to marinate together. After then, I pour out my water and allow the meat to cook. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Please support me on this journey. Please, I really need your help. Thank you. So while the meat is cooking, I take up my veggie because I want to prepare salad to pair it together with the rice. So I'm cutting my cabbage, slicing it into thin pieces. So as you can see, cutting this cabbage is not easy. I'm just praying to get a good food processor because I don't like cutting this cabbage like this, but I have to do it. I don't have choice, and I want to eat salad. My family too want to eat salad. I don't know why they can't eat rice without salad, and even me, they addicted to it. I don't like it before, but because of them I have started liking salad. I can't even do without it. So as you can see, I'm cutting it. I've cut a quite number of it. It really took my time and I was so exhausted, but I shall try to finish everything. So as I'm slicing it, I take off my carrot. I shred my carrot for that sweet crunch and color. You know, carrot is very good for our body. After that, I finally take my cucumber. I peel out the skin. I know some people always cut their cucumber together with the back, but me, when making my salad, I always like to remove everything. So this is me. I peel it. I remove even that thing that used to be inside. So I'm dicing it into small chunks. Yes, I'm cutting it into into smaller pieces, as you can see me do. So after that, I finish washing it. I pick my pot for the main thing. The next, I'm adding my this thing, onions, thyme, curry, this thing, and the next I put up my tomato paste. I put up my tomato paste. You leave it for like 3 to 4 minutes. After then, I pour in my seasoning. I stir it together. I allow it to steam. The next, I added my blended tomato mix, and I will let it. I stir it and cook. Yes, I let this cook for a few minutes so everything combine properly. After then, I pour in my meat stock. I cover it, allow it to cook for some seconds. So it's finally ready. I pour in my rice. I did not parboil it. Sorry, I only wash it with hot water. The first washing, I wash it with first hot water, then the remaining one I just rinse it with cold water. I add up some hot water, I turn it. Yes, I cover it. So this is my first turning. You know, jollof rice, you have to be turning it because it will get burned. So I turn it for the first time. This is the second time. So guys, at this point I'm tired of this voiceover. So this is my last step, putting on my carrot. So after the rice is finally maybe 80% cooked, or maybe 90% cooked, so you now add up your carrot if you like it crunchy though. So after that I allow it to steam. Then finally my jollof rice is ready. How do you see my food? Did I try in making this jollof rice? Oh, I did not try at all. Please let me know in the comment section, and please show me where I can improve, because I'm ready to learn. I want to cook more than this. I want to cook like all these chefs. Please, maybe you can tell me in the comment section, or if I do a great job, you can still tell me in the comment section. Thank you. So that's all for this video.